So, what is the JustGone Air Purifier pouch and what does it do? Using groundbreaking technology, the JustGone Air Purifier pouch helps to remove mold, viruses, and contaminants from the air, utilizing the same green technology used to purify drinking water, in addition to reducing allergens which trigger asthma and allergy symptoms. The JustGone Air Purifier pouch helps provide protection against airborne infectious diseases such as the flu, coughs and colds, and respiratory issues and infections. The JustGone Air Purifier pouch can be placed throughout your facility in classrooms, offices, restrooms, and common areas to help prevent and eliminate harmful germs, bacteria, odors, allergens, and indoor contaminants without leaving harmful residues or strong fragrances from harsh chemicals, protecting your facility for up to 45 days. Also proven to be effective in reducing MRSA in gyms and locker rooms. The JustGone Air Purifier pouch is the safe and caring way to protect your students, attendees, teachers, and caregivers, and help prevent unexpected closures and improve declining attendance. Call today for more information and to order the JustGone Air Purifier pouch.